The question is, if you do not give the content, what will happen then? So let us first talk about the data types, okay, of the in case of our JavaScript. So we have the data types. Okay, the first, basically it's of three categories of data types. One is the primitive. We usually call primitive data types those data types are basic, जो किसी के बने नहीं होते. Then if we have arrays and etc., they are made up of something, so they are not primitive. Like we have objects and all. So we have the primitive, we have the trivial, and we have the objects. In fact, everything is object, but the primitive, we categorize primitive data types because why? Because they are not made up of anything, rather than other data types are made up of them only. So we have many primitive data types. The first of all is the number. Our number is something which accommodates the integers, the negative numbers. It accommodates the all integers, that's positive numbers. It accommodates the negative numbers also. Okay, it accommodates the floating point numbers also. So there is no float, double, and all, but we have only one data type, that's the number. Okay. Then there is a string data type. If we have the single quotes or in double quotes, these guys, they are in the, as the string. Then we have the Boolean. The Booleans have can take either true or false. Right? And similarly, we will have also the symbol. We have symbol data type. We have the big int data type. We also have the big int if we need a very, very big number. So we have a big int data type. In trivial, we have the null and we have the undefined. Undefined is the data type here. Especially it is given if you have some variable, you create a variable, say a, but you do not declare it. You do not initialize anything into it, because we know if I say a equals to 4, now a will be of type number automatically as per the content. What are the content we have? If a equals to Junaid, for example, now a will be string. But the problem is if we have only a, but we do not assign anything to it, now our interpreter don't know what we're gonna put into it in the future. So it still doesn't show the error. It creates a data type called undefined, that this is not yet defined. So it will have a data type. The rest, everything is object in the, in your JS, everything is object. And we have a data type as an object also. That's a data type also. We'll see that later. Okay. Now, if we I'm opening the console, inspect. Okay, अच्छा यहाँ maximize it as इसलिए नहीं जा रहा उधर. Where's that window gone? It's here. We say right click and inspect on any page you have. Okay, we will have the inspect page here. And now if we go here on the console, this is the console. This is the one way to go, is right click and say inspect. Or if we close it and I go to view, okay, and I go to developer options and I go to JavaScript console. So it's one and the same thing. So I can go to the view, I can go to the developer, and then there is JavaScript console. And you can remember the command here, whatever this is for you. For me, it's an option command J. You may have control something J. You may have alt control J maybe. Okay, for me, I have the option command J. Okay. Now here in this console, you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, we have the console here. Okay, this is the console. We can write anything, any JavaScript, because it is JavaScript console. It's a V8 engine which will work on it, right? So if we have, for example, like for example, I say a equals to 70. Okay, for example, a is to 20. And I say type of, if I say, I don't need this thing, let me make it bigger. Can I maximize it? Okay, leave it. I say type of a. Okay, it's telling me it's a number. Type of a is what? The number. You getting? So because whatever the a we put a into the a we put 20, that is our number. If I put in the same a, I put the Junaid. Okay, and I say type of a. I say type of a, and it's telling me it's a string. Now the same variable a, you have not only reassigned it something different, but you also change the data type.
सर
Now if
इसमें
I say a,
सर इसमें नंबर के इंट के बदले नंबर आता है जावास्क्रिप्ट में?
इसमें int, float, double, उन सब के बदले नंबर आता है.
अच्छा ठीक.
आप नेगेटिव नंबर ले लो, पॉजिटिव नंबर ले लो, जो भी आपके पास है और आपके पास फ्लोट है, वो सब नंबर है. यानी कि अगर मैं कहूँगा a equals to -23, so type of a कहूँगा मैं, type of a, it will be number. So अगर मैं a में डालूंगा, for example 67.45, okay.
Yes.
Now if I say type of a, it will be again number. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So you can also, if I say command K, it will clear it. Control K, I guess in your case, in Windows to clear this, and command K to clear it in case of, Mac. Now we can have, for example, alert, and I say salam. I say assalamu alaykum. Now you see, I put up this and I put up a terminator. This is important. You put up a proper syntax because this is a programming language. Now it will give me the alert box where there is a salam. But if I want, this is in the console when you work, there is only one line you can have. What about if I want to have a multiple lines? So I could say alert, for example, here. Then I say assalamu alaikum. Then I want another line. Then I want another line also. Then what I'm gonna do is I say shift enter. I say what? Shift
Enter.
and enter. It will not execute this code. Rather, it will wait for the another input. So I can say alert. Then I say wa alaykum salam. Double quote, parenthesis close, and terminator. Now if I say enter, the first dialog box will come, the alert box will come. You say assalamu alaikum here, and when I say okay, then wa alaikum assalam comes up. The next box will come up, right? So for example, we have to add two numbers. So I can say here, for example, a equals to 10, right? And then I can have it because if I state a is equal to 10, it will stay as a is equal to 10. No, it's anytime I go a, what is a the value? It is giving me 10. If I say b equals to, say for example 20, and if I ask for the b now, it's 20. Now a and b is there. If I another variable s is equal to a plus b, right? Now s is having 30 in it. It has added the other two. They are saved in the console, basically. The a, b, and s are saved in the console. If you are doing with me, that will be better. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I want to, execute these commands all together, then I can say a equals to, for example, 90, and terminator, then I say shift enter, then I say b equals to 99, or maybe 100 for easiness. Okay, then I say shift enter, then I say sum equals to a plus b, terminator, shift enter. It's again taking the inputs. Then here I will say alert box, for example, alert. Then maybe I say in double quotes, that's a literal string literal, sum of. Now I want to say the a, so I have to concatenate it. ये बड़ा गैस क्यों नहीं हो रहा मुझे? कमांड शिफ्ट कमांड प्लस से तो नहीं होगा? हाँ, ये छोटा दिख रहा था ना मुझे. Okay, now is it visible properly on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Control shift plus again. Control shift plus I will say. थोड़ा और बड़ा चाहिए मेरे को. हाँ. Now, if you see here, I'm saying alert sum of, then I'm using the concatenate operator because strings are concatenated by the plus. Okay? Then I will use the without quotes A. Now, as you see here, this is the double quotes, or we could use single quotes also. It is the same as a string. Now, sum of will come as a literal, it will come same, but A will be the value, whatever the value of A is, that is 90. It will be that. It will be output that. इसको मैं concatenate करूंगा थोड़ी स्पेस और मैं कहूंगा प्लस मैंने किया इसके साथ. क्या प्लस किया मैंने इसके साथ? कंकैटनेट करो बी, यानी कि यहाँ पे सम ऑफ आ गया ऐसे, फिर इसके साथ स्पेस यहाँ पे आ जाएगी, फिर इसके साथ कंकैटनेट होगा वैल्यू ऑफ ए, क्योंकि ए कोट्स के बाहर है तो ए का वैल्यू आ जाएगा ए की जगह. फिर उसके साथ कंकैटनेट होगा ये वाली चीज, ये एज ए लिटरल आएगा, यानी कि स्पेसेस जितने आपने दिए और प्लस साइन ऐसे ही आ जाएगा, जो आपने लिखा बेआईनी वैसे ही आ जाएगा. फिर उसके साथ कंकैटनेट किया बी, बी है कोट्स के बाहर, तो इसके बदले क्या आएगा? बी का वैल्यू दैट इज 100. ओके, नाउ यू कंकैटनेट विद इट द सम. ओके, मे बी आई से equals to, what do you say?
Actually, Babaji,
We have to take half tablet this and Zanu has to take one.
do we have to? How many tablets do I get to
You
take?
have to take half.
One.
Zanubay has to take one.
And how much Mama does it take? Mama said two.
Oh, Mama, don't have to. You have to take. You are ill. Why you Mama take it? Listen to me.
Mm.
You will take half of it.
One only.
Half.
Half.
And Zanubay will take one. Go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Take this page.
What should I do with it?
Zach, show this to mom. Half. Zan one. Tablet. Your half tablet, okay? Go show this to mama. Okay. Are you getting me? Hello? Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Again, the double quotes, I say is equals, it will be as good as whatever it is there with spaces and is equal. Then I concatenate with what? The sum. Simple as it is. Then I close the double quotes of the, I don't have to close double quotes, that's already closed. Then I have to close